Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to change your website homepage in Hostinger website builder. First, it was the homepage, this one called home, and I turned it to be about. Then I will show you how to how to edit this navigation menu to start calling your new homepage with any word you like home or homepage. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account and go to websites. Now, next to the website that you want to change the home page, page 4, click on Edit Website. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and first let's give it a visit. This is the home page or the current home page, and to change it, it's simple. Just go to the website builder, go to pages, and here let's say I want to make this about page the home page. So I will select next to the page that I want to make as the home page, click on these three dots and select make home page. Close this window and don't forget to update your website to publish this new homepage change. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger Builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and the integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Close this window and don't forget to update your website to publish this new homepage change. Now that my website is updated, let's view my new homepage. And just like that, my first page of my website is this new page selected. And if I click on my website logo or refresh the domain, I will automatically land on this page. As you see here, the selected page is selected here by default. If you click back on home, you will return to the previous home page. How to fix this? It's simple. Just go back to the pages, or how to fix this issue, how to fix this navigation menu. Just go back here to the home page, or to the page that you want, to the old home page that you want to hide. Grab it from here and move it below and drop it here below hidden from navigation. And then let's start, since this about page is the current one, is the current home page. By the way, the current home page is always has this small house icon. So let's put it first in the navigation menu, update my website again. Now my website is updated. Let's view the new home navigation menu, and as you see, now the website shows the first page as the about, and this is my new home page. If you want to edit this page name here from about to home page, for example, it's simple. Same thing, click on pages, next to the home page, click on these three dots and select rename. Give it a new name, for example, home page. Save, update. Now click on view site. And as you see, the new home page is renamed to the desired name. And this says how to change your website homepage in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.